How to reset explore page on your Instagram. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to reset the explore page on your Instagram. So first thing, open the Instagram, go to your explore page and then go into the posts that you like and make sure to post a like on them. For example, this one, I like this one too. And let's say what else, I like this one. And also make sure after you put a like, also make sure to leave a comment and share it like this from this little option. Share it into some people from here. And yeah, that's it guys. And for the posts that you don't like, just click on them like this and then go to the three dots here and choose not interested. Don't forget to like, subscribe.